Assalamu alaikum student. This is our video number 5, chapter 16, Democracy and Human Rights, and the explanation of Martin Luther King 1929 to 68. Martin Luther was an American preacher, humanitarian, activist. He knows about his civil rights movement 1950s to 1960. Dr. King, who is inspired by his faith by Mahatma Gandhi, he used part of his work True American Hero. He was a black Baptist, and the Baptist is a Protestant demonstration of Christianity which believes in the baptism of believers as opposed to the baptism of infants. Who became the leader of the civil rights movement to fight for justice for colored people in the USA. Until the 1960s, the black people in many states of the US, especially in the South, were rigidly segregated. And what is the meaning of segregated? The setting apart or separation of things or people as a natural process, a manner of organizing may be voluntary or enforced by law. They were not allowed to go to the same restaurants, shops and schools as the white people. They had separate buses and railway coaches, or at least separate parts of these. They could not use the same park, benches or drinking fountains as whites. The black schools were overcrowded and badly equipped. In the all-white run courts, black people were more severely treated than whites. King's aim was to abolish all forms of discrimination. On a visit to India, he was strongly influenced by the peaceful protests of Gandhi and determined that his campaign would be the same. In 1953, the US government banned segregation in education, but many cities tried to find ways around this. The first black student to go to college, for example, in one own, had to be accompanied by a troop of soldiers to protect him. It was a small step, but still segregation continued in many ways. In 1955, the city of Montgomery, Alabama, a center of racism, two black women in separate incidents refused but were forced to give up their seats in desegregated buses so that a white person could sit down. There was uproar among the black community. Uproar means noisy excitement. There was uproar among the black community, and King organized a boycott of all buses. This damaged the city bus company as the great majority of its passengers were black. King was arrested and after a trial lasting over a year was eventually acquitted. King now acquired nationwide fame. In 1963, he led a peaceful protest march in Birmingham, Alabama, which was broken up by police with dogs and fire hoses. What are the fire hoses? Hose are flexible pipe used to convey water from the source to the scene of fire. King was again imprisoned but released after his passionate letter from Birmingham jail, which called for all segregation to be ended. The civil rights movement swept across the country, and later in 1963 he led a march of a 250,000 people to the Lincoln Memorial in Washington. Here he made his famous "I Have a Dream" speech, in which he set out what he hoped would happen in the USA. In 1964, Dr. King was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. In April 1968, he was assassinated by a white ex-convict while making a speech in Memphis, a city of ancient Egypt. Tennessee. And what is Tennessee? A capital of Nashville. Tennessee is the capital of Nashville. The same year, largely due to his efforts, a major civil rights bill was passed by the federal government, giving, at least in theory, equal rights to all people. We are stopping here. Thank you so much.